Okay, so we were talking about the 3D on here, and I can zoom in on this. I can turn it around and I can take a closer look for flat spots, but again, this is primarily used in manufacturing. Here I have a cross section of my tread, which you see across here, and I can also zoom in on that, and again, it's live on the encoder. You can mark it 360 degrees at certain points. So this is just showing you a little bit more of what this balancer will do. I also have my radial force variation, RFV, everybody calls road force in the hunter world. And we have the tire, the numbers showing on the wheel assembly. But we do go one step further. We put our load index in here. So you have your tire size and then you have your load index number. On this particular tire, it's a 90. So I can change this to 90 and hit enter, and now it decreases my radial force variation number. So we do have the radial force variation on there as well. One more feature is the intelligent positioning. I can do the 4 wheels. If I'm doing a set of 4 tires, then I can spin each of the tires and it will tell me exactly where to put those wheels and tires. So we wait for the spin. It's doing a tread depth measurement. Total spin time is 8.5 seconds. And then the hood comes up and you can see my light turns green. And now I have my first position. I'm going to go for all 4 green lights. Once I'm done, I can hit the middle of the screen and it will tell me 4, 2, 3, 1. It'll tell me where to put those wheels and tires based on the weight applied, the tread depth, the tire conicity, and the radial force variation. And we even go one step further with those 4 numbers. We put in the tire design. There's 4 different tire designs, as you can see right here. I can change this before or after I do my wheels and it'll recalculate. So I have my symmetrical, I have directional, I have asymmetrical, and then our last choice is asymmetrical directional. Again, if you change these afterwards, it'll reposition those wheels on here in order to have the correct fitment for your vehicle to have the best ride possible. I can print this information. This is the top half of my page. This is the bottom half of my page. And then I can save that to a PDF or I can exit out of there. So just by simply touching. Same thing on the diagnostic page that we were on. I can print that information. Here's the top half of the page. Here's the bottom half of the page. It even gives a graph. I can send it through Wi-Fi to any printer. I can save it to a hard drive, or I can save it to a USB stick, or I can simply print it out to a printer attached through the USB on the side. Once I get out of these functions, I have weight management. I have operator 1, 2, 3. I have 1/10 of an ounce or 1/4 ounce, and then of course I have my printer. That's a little bit of information about the Corghi EyeLight balancer. Thank you.